if uhlala elokishini ama-chances akho ukuphumelela are they less or are they more? So yeah.
My brother, chances of succeeding in life they are less, bruh. They are less. I am talking this from experience. I am from the hood. You see, background. Let's begin with background. The townships, they were designed by the apartheid government. They bought a history. You see that history? He fucked up life. I'm sorry to somebody vulgar, ne? Ubona i-background zethu lapha elokishini sonke most yethu fethu sifundile, we have grade 12s, we went to varsity, we have but most of us are not working here. That shows that i-chances zoba siphumelele are very little, brother. They are slim. Umuntu aphumelele lapha is by luck, yabo. Isininzi sethu sisebenza ko-spa, kontoni, ko-checkers, yabona as-retails. They are slim, Brian. They are slim, like.
That's lame. Okay,
I have a
thank you
question.
Akulu for that. So,
I have a question.
yeah, okay, start. Mango, yeah, siglalela.
Maybe we also need to firstly define success. Because I feel like it's a definition that is different for different people. Okay, Uti Usiram, sorry, can I just say Sira at least? Uti ena abanye basebenza ko spa and whatsoever. So someone osebenza spa, success yakhe, definition yakhe would be I am providing for my family. So that's my definition of success. Yeah. So I don't know whether I'm being understood or what.
Okay, so if
Mafuze mina
sorry,
ngikuthola
ngifuna
kahle.
ukuthi
I
nginike
think we
wonke
should
umuntu
all
an
know
opportunity.
ukuthi how do you define success when on your side?
Yeah. Asiye ku-sister unokuphila asitshene yena ukuthi what is her view when it comes to ilokishi. Does she think ukuthi uma uqhamuka elokishi or e-township, yabo, ama-chances akho ukuphumelela are they less, are they more? Asasa sizwe ngawo sister.
Nina Besilo, ngiyabingelela.
Yeah.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi uqhamuka elokishini noma e-township, ama-chances othi uphumelele maningi ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi asemqondweni wakho ukuthi wa-create. Ayikho into eselokishini engakuvimbela ekuthenini ube nayo impumelelo. Iy'kole zasemalokishini ziyafana ney'kole nje zonke. Ngoba